And I hope you guys remember that today you are having a test also. Right, guys? Yes or no? याद है आप लोग को ना कि नहीं याद है? You guys remember, right? You have a test today? Aisha, Iram, Fahad, Fatima, what happened? Can you speak at least yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Fatima, did you prepare?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine. Okay. Also, one more thing, Fatima. You go to a CBSE school, right? I mean,
Yes,
an
sir.
Indian school. Indian school.
Yeah.
So, like, there may be students and teacher also talking a lot of time in Hindi, right? In Urdu or Hindi.
Yeah. It's not too
Yeah.
much.
It's not too much. Okay, fine. Okay, write a question. An aqueous solution. An aqueous solution contain 63% HNO3 by weight. Find the molality. Find the molality of the solution. Okay, so you'll start with this statement, 63% of HNO3 by weight. That means 63 grams of HNO3 in 100 grams, please see, of solution. Okay, that means 63 gram. And we need what? Molality. What is molality? Molality is number of moles divided by number of moles of solute divided by the mass of solvent in kg. So first of all, you will write 63 gram of HNO3 in 100 minus 63 grams of solvent. All of you understood the second point, na? Please see and then start calculating the molality. From this statement, you are going to get the number of moles of HNO3. Okay. फहद, दिल्ली में फिर से मास्क मैंडेटरी कर दिया है क्या? यस फहद,
So maybe.
मे बी
I'm
कोरोना
not sure.
केसेस? नो। अच्छा, यू आर इन नोएडा आई गेस, राइट?
No, sir, I'm in Delhi.
यू आर इन दिल्ली, योर स्कूल इज इन नोएडा?
Yes, school is not.
ओके ओके।
Like it hasn't been imposed everywhere.
It
Mainly in
hasn't
market.
been. Okay, because I'm reading a order from the Delhi government. It is dated 8/8, that means 8th of August. They're saying that not wearing face mask or cover in all public places has been made an offense. A fine of rupees 500 for not wearing mask or cover in all public places in Delhi will be imposed. Further, the fine under this provision of the notification will not be applicable for persons traveling together in private. Okay, fine. So inside a car, it is not applicable, but everywhere else. I was in Delhi when we started the classes. So I was in Delhi in May. So in May, even in metro, it was very lenient. Like on the entrance, you have to wear the mask, but inside the metro, no one cares. I think they are restricting it now.
Actually, no one cared till now. So maybe
Till now.
kids have risen.
Okay. Okay. Done or not done? Okay, so what is the number of moles of HNO3? Tell me, guys. How much did you get? How many moles? Please speak.
1.
What about Aisha, Iram and Fatima?
Sir, one more.
तो फिर बोलते क्यों नहीं है आप लोग? इतना टाइम क्यों लगाते हैं? हाँ, 1 mole. All of you got 1 mole. Fatima and Iram, 1 mole.
Yes.
Okay, fine, great. And this is how many grams? 37 grams of solvent, right? And please remember, we have to convert this into kg because molality requires the mass of solvent in kg. So this will be equal to how much? 37 by 1000 kg. Okay, kg of solvent. Now molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by the mass of solvent in kg, which is equal to number of moles is 1 divided by 37 divided by 1000. So denominator of denominator is what? Very good. Denominator of denominator is numerator. That is why it will be 37 by 1000. This was mole. This was kg. So this will be in mole per kg. Okay, this is molality. Now please calculate this. How much you are going to get? Then guys, can I move forward? $27,000 upon 37 is 27. Yeah, correct. Another question. So one more question is important. Calculate the this is molarity, okay? Molarity of pure water. And the answer that you are going to get from here, you will remember that answer, okay? So let me do this for you. So they're asking what is the molarity of pure water. So pure water, it has a density. Density of pure water is 1 gram per ml. 1 gram per ml. That means I can say if I multiply, so this is what? Equal to 1 gram divided by 1 ml, right? 1 gram per ml. I'm multiplying 1000 here and 1000 here. So I will get 1000 grams in 1000 ml. Okay, that means in 1000 grams of water, we have 1000 ml. 1000 ml of water, we have 1000 grams of water. So I can write this as 1000 grams in each liter. Then I will calculate the number of moles of H2O in 1000 grams. This will be equal to how much? This will be equal to 1000 divided by 18. This is gram, this is grams per mole. Gram and gram will cancel each other, and I will be getting, if you divide this 1000 upon 18, you will get 55.5555. So I can write this as 55.56 moles. Okay. Now, this is the number of moles in 1 liter of water. That is why the molarity of water is equal to 55.56 in 1 liter. So this is the molarity of water, which is 55.56 capital M. Okay, so please remember this value 55.56. When you are writing this down, please try to understand whatever we have done here. It's not very tough. Let me know when you're done. Done, guys?
Done.
Okay. Okay, right. Last question. A solution of glucose in water is labeled as 10% W by W. That means 10% by weight. The density of solution is 1.20 grams per ml. Calculate molarity and molarity. चलिए. Please start doing this. Let me know if you're stuck somewhere, okay? Please let me know. I'm giving you guys 5 minutes. 5 minutes में tell me what is the update, like how much you have covered, कितना आपने किया है, or else let me know what is where you are Any progress, guy?
Yes.
Yeah. What about Aisha, Iram, Fatima? Yeah. Okay, fine. How much time do you need more? How much more time do you need? Aisha, how much time?
Sir, 3 minutes.
3 more minutes? Okay, fine. Done. Yes, Aisha. Yes, what happened? Aisha, Iram, Fahad, Fatima. How much more time, Aisha?
Sir, 2 minutes.
2 more minutes. Okay. Fatima has given me an answer. Mm, no, I think you did some mistake. Can you please tell me the number of moles that you got? Number of moles of glucose?
0.05.
0.05. Okay, that's okay, fine. Okay, and okay, I see what you have done. And you divided it by what? You divided that number 0.05 by what? For molarity and
0.05 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 83.3.
to 10 raised to 3 divided by how many? 83.3 for molarity, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. But see, whenever you are calculating, Fatima, you will have at least 2 non-zero numbers after decimal point. Okay, after the decimal point.
So am I supposed to add it in the final answer?
No, not in the final answer, like in the first time also. And one more thing is that try not to solve the fractions when you get it first. For example, for both molarity and molality, one thing is common, that 10 gram of glucose in 100 grams of solution. So this 10 gram of glucose is same here, and you have to find the number of moles of glucose in both of them. So this will be 10 upon 180, right? This will be grams and this will be grams per mole. And this is equal to 1 upon 18. So keep this as 1 upon 18 moles. Okay. Now I will calculate first of all the Iram, that is a bit more closer. Okay. I will calculate molality first, because molality, it uses the term that is mass. So for molality, I will write number of moles of solute divided by the mass of solvent in kg. So number of moles of solute is equal to 1 upon 18 divided by mass of solvent in kg will be equal to, this is solution, so 90 gram of solvent will be there. So I will divide this by 90 into 10 to the power minus 3. Because it is in gram, I have to convert this to kg. Now this will be 1 upon 18 into 90, and here you will be having 1000. And now you solve this. So you have 1000 upon 18 into 90. You can cancel 0 and 0 here. You can also do 50, and this will go by 9 if I divide by 2, both the numerators and denominators. And then you can further, what we can write here. So we can write here 50 upon 9 into 9 is 81. You tried to solve this now. Okay, this is our molality. 50 upon 81. 50 is right now, I think so.
0.6.
0.6, right? And you were getting 0.5, correct?
Yeah.
So that is the difference there. Just okay. Iram, I think your answers are right. And again, here also, see, you are saying 0.6, but I will say that please have at least 2 non-zero numbers, 2 non-zero digits after the decimal point. So your answer should be 0.61 or 62 or something like that. 50 divided by 81, 0.617, 0.61. No, so now you can write it 0.61. But if it was, for example, 0.69, then it will be approximated as 0.7. So that's why at least have 2 non-zero digits after the decimal point. Grams per mole. Okay. This is for molality. For molarity, it will be 1 upon 18 divided by 83.3. I think all of you have got this value from the density and the volume. Yes or no? 83.3 into 10 to the power minus 3 liters. right guys? For molarity. This is the volume, right? Yes or no? What happened?
Yes.
Right, okay, fine. So we have this 10 to the power 3 divided by 18 into 83.3 molar. So we can write this as 1000 divided by 18 into 83.3. So this will be 500 divided by, this will be 9. And then you can further solve it. You'll get this as 0.618. No, 0.66, I think you will get this as 0.66 molar. ओके, चलिए फहद आपका आंसर आ गया था? फहद?
Yes, sir. I've sent it on chat.
अच्छा हाँ, I saw. Okay, fine. लेकिन आपने 0.061 और 0.067 लिखा है. नहीं 61. ठीक, my bad. आयशा, you did not send me the answer. कहाँ आप फंस गए थे कहीं? Were you
Yes,
stuck
sir.
somewhere? Yeah, where? Division में.
No, sir, in volume.
In volume. So now do you know how to calculate the volume?
Yes, sir.
Please revise whatever is being taught, okay आयशा? ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स, इस तरह के सवाल हम लोगों ने क्लास में किया हुआ है. 10 ग्राम ऑफ ग्लूकोज इन 100 ग्राम ऑफ solution. So density is equal to mass by volume. Volume will be equal to mass by density. So here, from here we have the mass. So volume will be equal to 100 grams divided by what? 100 grams divided by the density is 1.25. ना? कितना था density? 1.2. So 100 divided by 1.2 grams per ml. Okay, so grams and grams will cancel out each other, and you will get this as, you can write it 1000 upon 12. Okay, 1000 upon 12. This is what? This is ml. Please write this is ml. Now, if you want to convert this to what? Liters, what you have to do? You will write 1000 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 12 liters. Now, this will become 1000 into 10 to the power minus 3. It will become 1. So this is 1 by 12 liter. And I think it would have been much easier if you had 1 by 12 liter. No? Like the molarity will be equal to 1 upon 18 divided by 1 by 12. This is moles, this is liters. So this will be 1 upon, this 12 will go above, and you'll have upon 18 like this. So this would be equal to how much? If I divide this by 6, so 6 3s are, right, and 6 2s are. So say 2 by 3. I think solving this was much easier, right? So more than molarity and molality, you should know now that if you keep it in decimals, it would be good. So whenever you are calculating number of moles or the volume or anything which has to be used in some other formula, please keep it in fractions only. Maybe further what you can do, you can cancel these things. Okay. Okay. So write next concentration term, that is mole fraction. Mole fraction. Please write with me. The mole fraction of any component is defined as the ratio of that component to the total to the ratio of, wait a second, to the ratio of number of moles of that components, number of moles of that component to the total number of moles in solution. mole fraction is denoted by this letter. It looks like X, but it is pronounced as chi, chi, chi. Okay. So chi, if you have, let us say, solution in which we have only two components, A and B, solute and solvent. So chi of A will be equal to the number of moles of A divided by the number of moles of A plus number of moles of B if we have only two components. Similarly, chi of B, it will be what? Number of moles of, sorry. Here will be number of moles of A, like that. If we are calculating the mole fraction of B, it will be number of moles of B divided by number of moles of A and number of moles of B. Right? Now, when you add chi A plus chi B, it is equal to number of moles of A divided by number of moles of A plus number of moles of B plus number of moles of B upon number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. Now here the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators also. The number of moles of A plus number of moles of B divided by number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. This will be equal to 1. So if I have a binary solution, in that the sum of mole fraction of each component will be equal to 1. Okay. The sum of mole fraction of each component will always be equal to 1. Write this down. Let me know if you have any doubt here in the definition or in the formula also. Then we will do some problems. Okay, write one more thing. Note. Mole fraction is unitless. Okay, so here also we are having moles as a unit. In the denominator is also moles. So moles and moles will cancel each other and we will get the unit as nothing. So it is unitless. Okay, write this down. Let me know when you have any doubt. Done, guys? Can I move on? Yes or no? Please tell me. Can I move on, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Write a question. An aqueous solution. When I write aqueous, what is the solvent? What is the solvent if I write aqueous? What does it mean? An aqueous solution. Tell me, guys, aqueous का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of aqueous?
Water.
Water, correct? Okay. An aqueous solution contains. Aisha, Aram, and Fatma, you got this? Aqueous means water.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. 10% of NaOH. An aqueous solution contains 10% of NaOH by weight. Calculate the molality. Oops, molality छोड़िए, mole fraction. Calculate the mole fraction of the solution. See here. So 10%. See, please, I don't know. I have not asked you to send your notebooks photos. Okay. So I don't know how you guys are writing these things, but please write as I'm writing. I have this information that 10% NaOH. Okay. So aqueous solution of 10% NaOH. That means here I can completely write that we have 10 gram of NaOH in 90 gram of water. Is that right? Yes or no? Please tell me. Can I write this? Before this, there may be a statement that you should remember: 10 gram of NaOH in 100 gram of solution, right? In 100 gram of solution, we have 10 gram of NaOH. That means 90 gram will be of water. So the water is my solvent. This is my solute. So this is what? This is your solute. That means NB. And you will calculate the Na. Please calculate and tell me what is the answer of NB and Na. Send the answers in chat fast. Number of moles of NaOH कितना होगा? What happened, guys? What is the formula for number of moles? Aisha, tell me. Number of moles is equal to?
Given mass by molar mass.
What is the given mass of NaOH?
10
What is the given
by
10 grams by
40.
grams per mole? This will be equal to 1 by 4 moles. Okay. Now tell me for water. What is the given mass? Iram, आप बताइए. Iram, tell me. 9. 9 है given mass. हाँ
90
आयशा.
by 80.
हाँ 90 by 18. 90 grams by 18 grams per mole. So this will be equal to how much? 9 tens and 9 twos. Okay, 5 से चला जाएगा, right? This will be 5 mole. Now what you need to do? Mole fraction. Number of moles of solute divided by number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. So this will be equal to 1 upon 4 divided by 5 plus 1 by 4. Chaliye, please calculate this. Let me know when you are done. .04 and for the other will be 0.96. Then see, chi B is equal to what this? So this is 1 by 4 divided by, this is 5 4s are 20 plus 1 divided by 4. 4 and 4 will cancel each other out. You will get 1 upon 21. And this you guys are saying is equal to how much? 0.4047. 0.047. So you can approximate this to 0.05. Okay. And then you can write chi A is equal to 1 minus chi B, which will be equal to how much? 1 minus 0.05 is equal to 0.95. All of you understood this one? This part, tell me yes or no. Chi is equal to 1 minus chi B. Aisha, Iram, Fahad, and Fatima. Chi A is equal to 1 minus chi B. Yes or no? No. Aisha, Iram, and Fatima, tell me.
No.
Why no? Why? I told na. We saw this, right? Chi A plus chi B is equal to how much? Tell me. Chi A plus chi B.
1.
1. So chi A will be equal to 1 minus chi B. Now you got it? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Fahad, did you calculate the chi B like this? Chi A like this? Fahad?
Yes, sir.
I don't. तो फिर आपका 0.95 क्यों आ रहा है और उधर 0.04 कैसे आ रहा है? टाइपो है.
नहीं मैंने गलती से लिखा.
अच्छा. Okay, also one more thing, all of you understood now that the chi b is not equal to 0.04. If you write 0.04, it will be wrong. Okay, that is why I always ask you to have at least 2 non-zero digits after the decimal point. Done everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
Okay. Write another question. See, this is for binary. The mole fraction, that whatever you have written here, it is for binary solution. That means if you have only 2 components, solvent and a solute, please write a part here like this. For solution with more than 2 components. Okay, with more than 2 components. Generally, chi I will be equal to number of moles of the ith element divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3 and so on. Okay. Do you understand this expression? Yes or no? Tell me. Do you guys understand this expression? Chi I is equal to ni plus n1 plus n divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3.
Yes, sir.
What about others? Aisha and Iram?
Yes.
Okay. So for example, if we have for 3 components, chi 1 is equal to n1 upon n1 plus n2 plus n3. Chi 2 will be equal to n1 upon, n2 upon n1 plus n2 plus n3. And chi 3 will be equal to n3 upon n1 plus n2 plus n3. Okay, and here chi 1 plus chi 2 plus chi 3 will be equal to 1. Okay. Again, this is only for 3 components. Done? Can I move on? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
Write a question. The solution is 25% H2O. This is the molar mass, okay? 25% H2O, 25% ethanol. The molar mass of ethanol is equal to, ethanol is C2H5, okay? So it is 46 grams per mole. And 50% acetic acid. The molar mass of acetic acid, it is equal to 60, I think 60 grams per mole. Calculate the mole fraction of each component. Okay, so see, mass of H2O कितना ले लेंगे? 25 grams, right? Mass of ethanol, ethanol is also written as ETOH. This will be equal to कितना? You write it down, है ना? Similarly, mass of acetic acid is equal to how much? Then the number of moles of H2O, number of moles of ETOH, number of moles of acetic acid, given mass by molar mass. You calculate all of these three things, then you know what you have to do. You have to do first of all mole fraction of H2O. इसको अगर हम 1 ले लें, इसको 2 ले लें, इसको 3 ले लें, then number of moles of H2O will be equal to how much? N1 upon N1 plus N2 plus N3. Right. Similarly, you will calculate the number of moles of ETOH. So this will be a number of N2 upon N1 plus N2 plus N3. And then at last for acetic acid, what you are going to do? Number of moles of acetic acid, it is equal to 1 minus the chi of H2O plus chi of ethanol. First of all, calculate these things. Number of moles पहले calculate कीजिए and then separate by comma and send it in the chat. Number of moles of H2O, number of moles of ETOH, number of moles of acetic acid. Please don't convert it into decimals. Okay. Number of moles, please keep it as fractions only. सेकंड का देखिए आयशा क्या लिखा है आपने? सी आयशा फॉर द सेकंड वन
Sir, 25 by 46
गलती से ओके फाइन. So number of moles of H2O will be 25 upon 18. Number of moles of ETOH, it will be equal to, this is how much? 25, this is 50. This will be 25 upon 46 and this will be 50 upon 60. At least see 25 upon 18 it cannot. Okay, fine. So you'll have this only as for 5 by 6. Everything else is same. Now you will have to take a decimal. First of all, calculate what is N1 plus N2 plus N3 now. N1 plus N2 plus N3. Calculate this. What is the value? Okay, so N1 plus N2 plus N3 it is coming as. Okay, Fatima. Others, please send the answers in chat now. N1 plus N2 plus N3. Correct, Fatima. Others, please send the answer. N1 plus N2 plus N3. Yes, Iram, correct. Final answer 1. Fatima, can you please turn the mic on?
So when I added all 3 of them, I got 1.
Obviously, you're going to get all 3 of them as 1, but you have to calculate the mole fraction of each component, right? Not the sum of mole fractions. You have to calculate the chi of H2O, then chi of ethanol separately, right? Okay, fine. Iram correct. And Fatima correct. So Fatima, I think you can see why I say that you have to at least have 2 non-zero digits, right?
Yes.
Aisha, what about you? And I don't see any answer from you. Aisha, are you stuck? Yes, Aisha. अच्छा कीजिए कीजिए आप कीजिए. Aisha, can you please turn the mic on? What happened? Yes, Aisha, tell me. Number of moles of H2 is equal to how much? It is coming as?
0.5.
Yeah, correct. Mole fraction is 0.5. And for ethanol, it is 0. Ethanol will be 0. What?
0.5.
Ethanol is also 0.5. No. Ethanol will be 0.2. ठीक है, please see 0.19 होगा. Ethanol will be 0.2. And then at last, the mole fraction of acetic acid will be 0.3. Okay, try it and also take 5 minutes, revise the portions. Molarity and mole concept was the portion, right? So revise those things. I will start the test in 5 minutes. You can start by the way, okay?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, in question number 3, what do we assume the density to be?
We don't have to assume the density. 500 ml of water, right? So 500 grams of water, 40 grams of energy is not going to do anything. Okay. It's a simple question.
Sir, but it's molarity.
I know it's molarity. Assume the density to be 1 grams per mole. Okay. 1 grams per ml, sorry. Okay, Fahad. Just a second, guys. Oh, okay. Fahad is already done. You guys still have 5 minutes, okay? Still have 5 minutes. Fahad, since you're done, you can leave.
Sir, after the class, can we discuss question number 3? I have a doubt.
What doubt do you have? Regarding the density?
No. Regarding the question. How to solve.
I have sent you something in chat, okay? In WhatsApp, Fahad. Just check that.
Sir, did you receive mine?
Yeah, Fatima, I received yours. Okay, thank you.
Sir, can I leave?
Yeah, sure, you can leave. Aisha and I'm just waiting for your answers now.
So can I leave?
Yeah, you can leave. Okay, thank you.